everyone on YouTube.
Hi everyone.
I'm Ziqian, U.S. Certified Public Accountant.
I'm Jean, U.S. Certified Public Accountant. Welcome to our ZX Finance channel.
We provide tax and finance tips from our professional point of view.
If you like our videos, feel free to click on thumbs up or subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Today is March 10th and we just get the big good news.
The Congress just passed a $1.9 trillion stimulus package for us.
Among this package, most of us will also get a big fat check again
For $1,400.
Who is eligible for this check? Could be me, could be you. Who else?
Let's look at the qualifications again. So, if you're single, your income needs to be under $75,000. And if you're filing as head of household, then your income needs to be under $112,500. If you're married, file jointly, then the income needs to be under $150,000.
Okay, that's pretty clear. So what they need to do in order to get the check?
So the fastest way to get the money is for IRS to deposit the money in your bank account directly. So you have to go to their website and update them with your latest bank account you wish to have the money to be deposited. If you don't want to give them your bank account, that's okay as well. They will send you a check. Then you need to go to their website and update the address so they have your most up-to-date address to send you the check.
And for those people who e-filed last year's return, they should also verify to check if they have the up-to-date bank account info, right?
Yes.
If you e-file your last year's tax return, then you probably put the direct deposit as the option to get the refund. Then you just need to verify that information.
Okay. If you have closed that bank account or have changed it since then you have to let them know.
Yeah, and then how they let them know? Just go to the IRS website. There's a specific link. They can update their address or the bank account information.
Yes, we have posted a link in the description of this video. Please go there, and so you can click on the link and update your information with the IRS.
Make sure you get the money. How the IRS determine you are qualified based on which year's taxable income?
So before the first two rounds of stimulus check, they were based on the 2018 and 2019 income on your tax returns. So for everybody filed their tax return, the IRS used the most up-to-date information in their system.
I know there are certain people, they had a higher taxable income back in 2018 or 19, but their financial situations has changed in 2020 due to the pandemic. So what about those kind of people? Would they be qualified to get the new stimulus check?
Yes, you have to file the 2020 tax return as soon as possible. So if you file your 2020 tax return, then your stimulus qualification would be based on your 2020 income.
As far as we know, this is not the first check ever that the government gave out to help people. How about the previous two checks? If some of the people, they have too much income back in 2018 or 2019 and they were not able to get those checks, what should they do? Is there anything they can do to still get the benefit?
For those who had income higher in 2018 and 19 and the income dropped in 2020, there's something called Recovery Rebate Credit, meaning that if your income fell under the qualification limitation for 2020, then you're still eligible to get the first and second round stimulus check. All you need to do is file your 2020 tax return and claim these two checks as a refund.
So how about those lucky people? How about if their income is still above the threshold? What can they do to get the check?
So there were a lot of tips we give out throughout other videos, like year-end planning and other videos. We always give out tips for taxes and finance. So if you're interested, you can always go back to our previous episodes. But today we can also talk about some other tips you can still do at this point for filing your 2020 tax return. So I think the first thing is to maybe put some money in your retirement plan, because contribution to the retirement plan is still going to be qualified as a deduction for your 2020 tax return.
Yeah, I heard some of the deadline is it's till April 15, right? So you still have some time
Yes.
to plan it.
That's right.
Okay, so first retirement plan, think about it, plan it. Is there anything else you can do?
Yes, another thing I will want to remind everybody is that to make sure you have counted all the income from everybody who paid you. For example, maybe there were your neighbor pay you for maybe plowing the snow for them in the winter, and they pay you over $600. Maybe they owe you a 1099 or something that you haven't counted for your income for the year. You know, as we all know that if you have a 1099 income, then maybe you have some expenses related to it.
So for those like qualified business related expenses, like you spend the money to rent the tools to shovel, right? And maybe the transportation, and some other business related legit expenses you can deduct from your business income.
Especially for those who were not too great about their business and you spent more than you earned. So there's your tax deduction. Maybe will bring your tax income below the line for the limitation. Check.
Okay, so that's all for the tips about the new stimulus checks today. If you're still unclear about some points, you're welcome to leave your comments down below.
And if you're interested in our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Or give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
See you next time.
See you.
Bye.